Good morning, 7th class. This is our last paragraph of the chapter, and in which we discuss the reason and empire. So, prior to this, you know that thoroughly we have discussed the construction of buildings, tombs, temples, garden, the way the ruler how they used to constructed in the palaces or in which they used to leave the temple, they used to for worship, etc. So now the reason in empire here we will discuss. As construction activity increased between the 8th and 18th centuries, there was also a considerable sharing of ideas across the reason and tradition of one reason were adopted by another in Vizianagra. For example, means is to say here means the system like copying or imitation was continuously taking place in the reason जैसा कि एक राजा करता था दूसरे राजा उसको और उसी की तर्ज पर और अच्छा बड़ा अच्छा कर बनाते थे ठीक है in Vijayanagara, for example, the elephant stables of the rulers were strongly influenced by the style of architectures found in adjoining sultanates of Bijapur and Golconda. We will see in 6th chapter. And in Vrindavan near Mathura, the temples were constructed in architectural style that were very similar to the Mughal palaces in Fatehpur Sikri. Means we cannot deny, we cannot say that Muslims were copying Hindu and Hindu were copying Muslim. Means the particular you can say material, the way of constructing they were following, and the creation of large empires that brought different reason under the rule helped in this cross fertilization of artistic forms and architectural style. मीन्स द क्रिएशन ऑफ लार्ज एम्पायर, क्योंकि इतना बड़ा एम्पायर था तो डिफरेंट रीजन में उनके रूल्स जो थे हेल्प दिस क्रॉस फर्टिलाइजेशन एंड आर्टिस्टिक फॉर्म्स ऑफ आर्किटेक्चरल स्टाइल एंड इट हैज़ बीन इन्फ्लुएंस्ड क्योंकि इफ़ वी सी द टेन्योर ऑफ अकबर वी सी दैट ही रूल्ड मोस्ट ऑफ all Indian region and subcontinent part. So obviously the glimpse can be found out from north to south. So Mughal rulers were particularly skilled in adopting the religion architectural style in the construction of their own building. In Bengal, for example, the local rulers had developed a roof that was designed to resemble a thatched hut. Thatched hut, you can understand, when hut are generally are made of the you can say grass or the dry grass, to which we call thatched huts, and the Mughal like the Bangalore dome, and which we see in 11 and 9 and 12 chapter, so much that they used in their architecture, and the impact of their reason was also evident in Akbar capital at Fatehpur Sikri. Many of the buildings show the influence of the architectural style of Gujarat and Malwa, even though the authority of Mughal rulers went in 18th century. 18th century onwards, when का मतलब है यहाँ पर smaller, मतलब थोड़ा कम दिखने लगा. क्यों? Because this was the time when Britishers you can say had taken the entry and they were start ruling over some part of India. So the architectural style developed under the patronage of constantly used adopted by the rulers whenever they tried to establish their kingdom. Means the followers who had come, they you can say the glimpse of the former and the new can be seen in the construction of the monuments. Now, lastly, it has been told in one of the picture, that is the style, the church and touched the skies. Like here, the glimpse of the British period construction in 12th century onwards, the attempt began to France to build the churches. यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं कि यूरोपियन का churches that were taller and lighter and the earlier building, and this architectural style known as the Gothic, distinguished by the pointed arc and use the stained glass often painted with scenes drawn with the Bible and flying buttress tall spires and tall bell towers which were visible in the distance were added in the church. Means whatever the references we find in the holy books of ours, so such kind of culture can be seen in the auspicious places like temples, mosques and churches. So this has been found in churches. One of the best known example of his this kind of architectural style is church in the Notre Dame in Paris, which was constructed through several decades in 12th and 13th centuries. So till here we stop this chapter and it is completed. So now the question answer is here, and all the NCERT's question answer you will do in your notebook. So okay, till then I stop the video. Goodbye.